Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Great. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about a catch title. How is this important for you, for your post and for your presence, introducing your content online, right? So as you know, the world online is busy and chaotic. So the big question is, how do you get people to read what you write? It takes more than good comments or great design. The most important part of writing a post or article is the headline. Often people online will not even try to read your post if they see something that, your post is over long or is too long. So your job is to actually incite their interest by starting your post with something that is very catchy and captivating, and that can be a title. So if your title is something inappropriate to have, for example, in a tweet, then simply start the sentence with a catchy and interesting first sentence.
Cage matches? Yeah, they work. How could they not work? If they didn't work, everybody would still be in the cage.
So a catch title or headline should come from you and not be a formula or something you have to remember all the time. Remember, you have to use your own voice and your own tone. However, consider some points that I will point out now. It takes time. That's the point number one. So it's not something that you're going to do in 2 minutes or, under the pressure. So leave time to do the work and try to come up with a good catch title. You can also use what, why, how, or when as a trigger words for you to develop your thoughts. For example, how to cut your own hair. So you start your start point. And then you can try to, around this subject, trying to answer the question what, why, how, or when. And then again, developing certain ideas. Try to use also emotional adjectives like absolute or unbelievable. But again, there is no formula. You have to create and have to find your own way of doing things, your own voice and tone, right? You also can create your own hashtags. That's something that I use a lot. Now this hashtag actually become the name of the guidebook that I wrote. But I also use other hashtags, especially on LinkedIn, like meanwhile in the parallel universe or hashtag sign all the times. So using those hashtags as a kind of a title for me, that helps to keep some constancy and also use those hashtags as a way to basically classify my type of posts. So that's how I use my own hashtags. So you might end up with something like, in the end, going back to the cut your own hair idea. So you might end up with something like hashtag now you know how you can effortlessly cut your own hair, or how can you cut your own hair at home. Whatever it is something that, again, will come from you. So the reality is the odds to get a catch title hours right is very, very slim.
Sir, the possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
So your job is keep creating and developing your posts, giving emphasis now with starting the right step, which is the catch title. So you go from there and try to develop, again, because we know that the world online is very busy and chaotic, and people need some kind of a catch title to start it to think about the possibility of writing or reading your your whole post, right? So that's it for today. So see you again very, very soon. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.